Get that large knocking noise, especially in Tahoe, Suburban, Chevy 1500s. These motors will almost completely jump up out of there. So what the issue is your motor mount. Right down there. That motor mount on this side is broke. And there's no more rubber in it. GM's famous idea was put a rubber motor mount under the exhaust, and it just over time deteriorates. But today we're going to show you how to change out that motor mount. The first thing you need to do is pull those three 15mm bolts out. You've got one here, one there, and one over there. I'd pull them out from up here. Then we need to raise the vehicle up in the air, and then we can show you underneath view. Okay, then you're going to remove the drive shaft right here to get it out, to get access to it. Okay, so here we go. There's the broken motor mount. If you take, you see it's broke. Come away from there. There's 4 15mm bolts that holds that sucker on there. So now we're going to take this out. Okay, so that's it out. This is aggravating as hell because it's 4-wheel drive. The two front bolts are the most aggravating. You can kind of see the back ones, but the two front ones are a headache. The mount is right here. So what I did to get it out, I took it apart. But this is all kinds of brokage. So that's what we do with broke shit. There we go. Brand new motor mount installed. Thank y'all for watching the video, and please subscribe.